All right, so this is the Blackstone 36-inch Pro cover. It's a canvas that has straps on the bottom that you can tie to the wheels. And just before, if you're looking to get this, just to make sure that you're aware, this is going to do the 36-inch griddle with the hood and the cabinet, and or the 36 griddle air fryer combo. That's what I have, is the air fryer combo. It is the 36-inch. If you're looking for specific measurements, it's 64 by 176 by 95. Comes with a waterproof canvas so that the water won't sit on it. If you live in a place that has winter months that you get a lot of snow or water, you can use this anytime, but we are getting ready for winter. Again, there are other, I don't want to say knockoff, but there are non-official Blackstone ones that you can get. I have one for my other grill that didn't last too long, but you've got these straps right here that tighten it on the end, if you can see this. So once you get it over everything, you can tighten it. And then there also are these zippers. So when you're putting it on, just kind of throw it over, and then you can zip this tight around the bottom of the wheels. So here it is here. And I'm going to throw it on the grill and just show you what it looks like. The grill's actually over there, so I'll pause this and then we'll just jump over to the grill and show you what that looks like. Okay, so here's what you're looking at. We've got the 36-inch, it's got the fryer combo, it's right here. We're actually going to leave the sides on, and I'm just putting it on for today. So we're not fully officially in winter yet. Obviously you want to pull all the accessories. You can see I've got some spatulas, some other stuff over on the side. I just have a container down on the bottom that has all my stuff there. Propane, you can leave that on or off. I'm actually going to take mine off. Eventually we're going to actually connect this with a ground line, but for gas, we just haven't switched that yet. So you can already see we got rain last night, and I was trying to get this before we had a big storm, but there's a little bit of rain, so I would actually spray all this off, wipe it all down, get it all dry. But I do just want to show you the fit. And so it's pretty easy. Just unzip them, the two outsides, that way you can get it over. It does have a zipper cover. When I say zipper cover, you'll see it in just a second. Unzip the other side. So we want to get it where kind of the skirt at the bottom is even. I want to get these straps all the way down. We should be close on this side. You can see that it is kind of set in a square. So we've got this nice canvas on the outside. And then if I scroll down or zoom down in, not scroll down, just go a little bit lower here, you can see that these skirts are not zipped up here. And the way that these are angled, these are tightening up around the bottom. And then underneath on this side and this side where you have your folding tray, your removable tray, this is where you have the basically cords that you can pull tight and pull that all the way around so that when the wind comes, different things, when you're full blown ready for winter. So you can see this side right here is tucked in. I did not pull it on this side just so you could see the difference. Some people, they like to wrap it with rope at the bottom. You can use bungee cords. There's a lot of different things that you can do. This will actually work just like this, where you just pull both sides in and cover it. This can be used throughout the year. It does not have to be just for winter. So depending on where you live, the kind of weather that you have, you can pull this. I want to make sure. There we go. Tight on the bottom. If you're familiar with the Blackstone, you know that they're up off the ground by about 3.5, 4 inches. That's how big the wheels are. so you don't necessarily need to worry about anything under here. Again, then in the spring, just pull this off, fold this up, put it away. So depending on your setup, everybody does it a little bit differently. I have a separate one for my Traeger, but this is obviously for the 36 inch right here. So appreciate you. Thanks for watching.